We have 3 generations of Atlas Copco compressors at this plant. And behind me is Atlas Copco's most innovative technology, the new ZR90 to 160 VSD Plus. Atlas Copco's oil-free compressed air helps take apples and make applesauce.
So at the Fremont plant here, we produce puree, fruit and vegetable puree for infants, carrots, sweet potatoes, apples, pumpkins, squash. Of course, we're feeding infants, so quality is super important for us.
The new Atlas Copco ZR90 to 160 VSD Plus offers optimal control with dual VSD drives incorporating NEOS, Atlas Copco's most sophisticated variable speed drive technology.
Oil-free air is so important in a plant like this due to the fact that there is a possibility of having incidental contact of oil with our product. So we actually want to go with oil-free air, so there is no question, there is no contact whatsoever. The reason this machine is so appealing to a plant like Gerber is we're looking for guaranteed dew point, a guaranteed pressure band, even to the point where our older machines, they were a load, no load, and our pressure would swing 7 to 10 pounds. This machine will only swing 1.5 PSI maximum because it is a variable speed drive machine. The numbers that we're seeing is about negative 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and I believe the guarantee is only like 45, so you've doubled and surpassed your guaranteed numbers on this dryer. Going back 5 years, we used to run about 5 air compressors for the entire plant. And with the changes that we've made and trying to get up to speed and Atlas Copco coming on board and helping us out, we've actually trimmed out 3 air compressors, and we're running a ZR250 with an MD dryer and then trimming with this new VSD. We cannot afford to have downtime. And with these air compressors on the SmartLink system, it's being monitored 24/7 by Atlas Copco as well as ourselves. I can talk to a service guy 100 miles away or whatever and say, hey, will you look at that? And efficiency gains so far, we're probably 30 to 45% more efficient because we've actually shut down desiccant dryers and other machines that would sit there running loaded or unloaded for hours on end. It does everything that we've asked it to do and then some. Without this new VSD machine from Atlas Copco, we couldn't go from this to this.